Draw a stem and leaf plot. A stem and leaf plot is basically going to look something like this. I'm just going to make one up right now. If I give you 1, 2, 5, 6, and if I were to tell you down here that something like that means 17, then this is 12, and this is 15, and this is 16, and you would be 21, and you would be 28, and you would also be 28, stuff like that. So I'm going to do the same thing using this information that I see right here in front of me. And since I'm using double-digit numbers, I'm going to set it up kind of like the way I set up here when I made a fake example. So what we need to do is we need to make ourselves a key and say something to the effect that 3, 2 means 32. And what we really ought to do is come up with the smallest number, and that's not what we ought to do, that's what we have to do. We have to come up with the smallest number, and look at God, these are already in order. Oh, how nice. Okay. Well, that makes like life 1,000 times easier. So 3, 2 is going to be my smallest. Then I'm going to have a 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 7. So I get 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. I get 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. I get 0, 3, 4. We get 0, 3, 4. And last but not least, 70, 75, 79, 75, 9. And that's going to be your stem and leaf plot. Look how pretty that is. That's super pretty.